My friend, come close to me before the night divides you and me. Let our hearts remember today, love is the only lasting way. Come closer, heart to heart, love before we drift apart. Come closer, soul to soul. Every soul reflects a friend, like a mirror without end. Why should anger fill the heart? Why should loving souls depart? Leave the pride and leave the fear. Love is all that matters here. Life is short and passes by. Let our love forever rise. Come closer, heart to heart, love before we drift apart. Come closer, soul to soul. Love is what will make us Let the nightingale sing love, let the stars shine from above. In the garden of the soul, you are one and love is whole. Come closer, heart to heart, before we drift apart. Come closer, soul to soul. Love is what will make us
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the link in the description to watch more Rumi poem songs.
Inspired by the 7-book Rumi collection by Dr. Farid Mostamand.
Whether you seek healing, love, clarity, or growth, these teachings will guide you inward to the truth of who you are.